Good afternoon, everybody. I'm here at the shop again, and this time we have I believe it's a 2014 Ford Raptor, and this thing is an absolute beast. He's got it, I believe it's a 6-inch lift. He's got, let's see, what size are these? 35s by, God, I don't even know. 12 and a half. I'm trying to see the, 20-inch rims. So these things are pretty huge, as you can tell, but usually deep dish look kind of weird on trucks, but to be honest, this truck looks amazing. So we've already gone ahead and tinted the rear tail lights. He's got a full Corsa exhaust on this thing, and beautiful tires and wheels. He's got the truck fully tinted. Again, this is a Raptor, and usually you don't see these trucks lifted with this wheel setup. Normally they're more of like an off-road setup, but to be honest, I really like this truck. Let me see if I can show you. There you go. There's a better view of it. This thing looks awesome. It's got an awesome stance to it, with the flares and the tires sticking out. It's pretty cool. So what we're doing here is we're gonna be tinting the front headlights. So kind of the same process as the rear, but the Ford Raptor headlights are known for being extremely hard to tint. And I was actually watching a video by CAMARO, I believe, and he was saying that some shops actually turn them away. So we've never done Raptor headlights, so we're gonna see what it looks like. Not what it looks like, but how hard it is to do. So I wanted to walk you guys through the steps. And the first thing we've done is gone ahead and used you can either use masking tape or you can use vinyl wrap, and you basically wrap the whole headlight and then you trim it so that you get this sorry, it's kind of a mess right now, but so you get this outline of what the headlight's supposed to look like. And then we actually traced it, flipped it, and then made an inverse piece that's going to go here. So the first thing we're going to do is apply the trace tint and then see how it goes. But sorry, the first thing we're going to do before tinting anything is we actually just clayed it, and we used, if you guys aren't familiar, it's by Mothers. It's this like nano clay bar that you can reuse over and over again. I think you can do up to like maybe 10 plus cars, like full cars, but we, depending on the wrap, we only clay what's being wrapped. So every time we tint taillights or headlights, we clay them to make sure there's no residue and they're as smooth as possible so that they last long and they look good. So yeah, we're gonna get started, and I'll show you the process. Alrighty, so you guys saw the truck, you guys saw what we were doing. So we basically laid down the template, we squeegeed it, we used heat, so don't be afraid to use heat. We're using vinyl, or I guess tint, it's like a tint vinyl type material from Luxe Wraps. So far it's been the best material that we've been able to work with, and it's the most similar to vinyl, which is what we know how to work with best. So we used heat to conform it on the edges, and yeah, we've basically gone ahead and laid down, let me change the camera angle. We've gone ahead and laid down the template, heated it, and then we post-heated all the edges. So that's very important. You have to make sure that you post-heat all of the edges to make sure that you don't get any peeling in the future. So yeah, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna trim around the headlight, and we should have a finished product. So let me know what you guys think. This is gonna be a mid-smoke. It's pretty dark, to be honest. This is gonna be a mid-smoke versus nothing. So quite the difference. I'd love to know what you guys think. And then this is it with the lights. That looks pretty cool. So this is a 16 mil. So this is with the lights on, with tint, versus lights on with no tint. So as you can see, I mean, it's dark when they're off, but when they're on, it's not that bad. Yeah, all the walls. And then take a look at the wall. So this is the difference in light output. You can see on the right versus the left. It's not too bad. There's still light coming out. It's not completely, you know, blocking it, and we use high quality tint. So Normally with a cheaper tint, you wouldn't get as much light emission, and also it'd be kind of hazy, and this one's actually pretty clear. So again, this is with no tint, and then this is with tint. And as you can see, it's not hazy. You're not getting any issues. So yeah, pretty cool to be honest. All right, so we just finished it up. So I'm gonna show you the before and after so you guys can see. Again, we just finished trimming it, so you guys saw the entire process. It's honestly not that bad. It took us maybe half an hour, including the trimming of the template of the, what's it called, of the headlight. So overall, the result looks really awesome. So here you have it. This is a fully trimmed Raptor headlight. I personally think it looks awesome. You get that really cool smoked out look. It looks OEM, like it came from the factory, and at the same time you still have the functionality of your lights. So that's tinted, this is not tinted. So let me know what you guys think. And I hope this video was helpful. We'll be doing a lot of more videos, kind of like how-tos and just keeping you guys updated on what we're doing at the shop. So if you guys have any questions, comment down below, let me know what you think. And also leave any suggestions you'd like to know about, or you'd like us to make videos about, because we're happy to do it. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys soon.